Hi everyone, in this video, we will be going over how to replace the solenoid inside your Mr. T-1 pretreatment machine. One way to know when you need the solenoid replaced is if you are getting inconsistent sprays and you have taken every step necessary to verify that the cause is not your spray nozzle being clogged. A common cause of the solenoid malfunction is due to a cloggage deep in the system and/or the improper use of the intake filter. Now, to replace the solenoid, first turn the machine off and unplug the power cord. Remove the intake tube at the top of the unit by pulling back the release lever. Then locate all 8 screws on the top lid and remove them. Carefully remove and lift the lid partially, and then unplug the tube on the inside of the lid before fully removing it completely. Now locate the solenoid as shown here. Next, locate the zip ties and carefully remove them. Once complete, locate this tube connection and wire connection and remove both. Once everything has been disconnected, locate the 2 screws holding the solenoid and remove them. Once removed, you will be able to pull out the solenoid. Unscrew and remove the entire nozzle system. And then remove these 2 pieces by rotating them counterclockwise and connecting them to the new solenoid. You may need plumber's tape added to the new solenoid to prevent any leakage. Pay attention to this arrow as it will let you know which side to place which part. To finish off the entire process, just reverse all the steps you took to remove the solenoid. Thanks for watching.